Well, talking a little dollars and cents this morning, and today we are focusing on money market accounts. We have Davis Garrison III back from Preservation Financial Group right here in Johnson City. Davis, good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Today is sort of an important day, so a very timely topic this morning.
Correct. On September 16th, we first reported this. It was initially reported in the Wall Street Journal August 15th. And basically, it's some changes that the SEC has made to money markets. Money markets have always been looked at as a safe haven.
Especially during rocky times.
Exactly. Money markets have always been valued $1 per share. All right, effective today, the SEC has decided to let the rates for money markets float, which means they could potentially, if we go to negative interest rates, which we're close to it right now, you might have $100,000 in your money market, and if it went down to 90 cents a share, all of a sudden you've got $90,000 in money markets. So it's very counterintuitive. That is not the bad news. The worst news is that the SEC has said that they can limit your access to your money in times of financial stress to the economy. In other words, you might want to go and withdraw $25,000 from your money market, which is yours, and the bank say, sorry.
This is a difficult time, and due to the
do it.
Status of the economy
Exactly.
as a whole,
you
can't have access to your money.
Exactly. And a lot of this is what happened when we spoke, I believe it was last week, about Deutsche Bank in Germany. They had overstated their assets, and so they were not as healthy as they appeared on paper, and their stock dropped ultimately 60, 65, 70%. And Deutsche Bank is an excellent bank, but there are little fixes going on that you need to be aware of, because your money market is not as safe as it was yesterday. And we have come by and we have DVDs, we have books, hundreds of them, that basically, I go by the old adage, never let a good crisis go to waste.
Somebody is always going to benefit from
right.
somebody else's crisis.
That's right, and we can help you with that.
Wouldn't it be nice to be the one on the top instead of always the one on the bottom?
Exactly.
And you guys have had several months, of course, to prepare for this and to look for different ways that we can sort of circumvent what is coming. And the good news is you found some things that we can do.
Exactly. We can help you avoid this complexity that's been brought on by the SEC.
And this is yet just another thing that continues to change when it comes to our economy, and just always seeing the ups and downs.
Yeah, and this is big. It's not just a small thing.
Yeah.
It's big. It's actual losing control of your money in the bank.
And it's not going forward, it's the money that's already there. So
That's
it's
right.
not grandfathered in. It's like,
Right.
well, this money is safe because you were under the old way. So we'll give everybody your information. Obviously, this is big news. It's going to affect a lot of people. It is Preservation Financial Group right there on Sunset Drive in Johnson City. For more information, you can always check out his website. We're going to take a look now at our weather forecast for the weekend.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by